Assalamu alaikum students. Today the new chapter is chapter number 8, algebraic expressions. So in this unit we learn about the algebraic expressions like variable, coefficient and constants, to arrange polynomials in ascending and descending order, and how to add and subtract an algebraic expression, and how to multiply and divide an algebraic expression. So the exponents. Look at the following examples. 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 or 2 square. It is read as 2 square or 2 to the power of 2. Now 8 can be written as, the prime factors of 8 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this can be written as 2 power cube. This can be read as 2 to the third power or 2 to the power of 3. Like that 16 can be written as 2 power 4. So it can be read as 2 to the fourth power or 2 to the power of 4. Now look at the number 2 power 4. Here 2 is known as the base and power of the number is called the exponent. The exponent of a number indicates the number of times a particular number is multiplied by itself. In other words, the number of times the base occurs as a factor, like 3 power 4. So it can represent that 3 is multiplied by 4 times. So exponent indicates the number of times a particular number is multiplied by itself. So here 3 is the base and 4 is the exponent or the power. In this example, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 power 5. Here this 5 is the base and this 5 is the exponent. In the same way, we can use letters instead of numbers to express the base and its power or exponent. Like y multiplied by y multiplied by y, that is equals to 1, 2, 3 y cube. Here y is the base and this 3 is the exponent. In example number 4, a multiplied by a is equals to a square. Here a is the base and 2 is the exponent. These are some examples. Now we have to move to variables, coefficients and constant. So a variable is an unknown number represented by a letter like x, y, z. This is the unknown number. For example, there are x balls in a bag. Here x is a variable that represents an unknown value. Look at the expression 2y. Here 2y is equals to 2 multiplied by y. If y is equals to 2, then the value of 2y will be, if the y is equals to 2, so we have to put here 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, that is equals to 4. But if y is equals to 3, then the value will become 3 to the 6. Hence, by changing the value of y in the expression, we get different values of 2y. So y is a variable because it changes its values. So a variable is an unknown number represented by a letter. Since the value of 2y changes or varies according to the value given to y, so y is called a variable. A variable is a symbol used to represent one or more numbers. A variable is a quantity which can take various numerical values. A number that is placed before the variable is called the coefficient. Thus in 2y, 2 is the coefficient and it is also called the multiplying factor because it is multiplied with y. Constant. A constant is a symbol with a fixed numerical value. For example, 2, 35, 101 are constant because they are unchangeable. Constant and variables, when written together with operators, form an algebraic expression. So algebraic expression, we have to define the algebraic expression that consists of a single term or terms connected by operations of addition and subtraction. There are some examples like 3x is an algebraic expression, x minus 2y, x square minus yz plus zx. These all are algebraic expression. Define term. An algebraic term is either a numeral, a variable, or a product of a numeral and one or more variables like 5, 2x, xy. Algebraic term is either a numeral like 5, a variable like xy, or a product of numeral and one more variables like 3x square y. A numeral without any variable is also called a constant. 5 is also called a constant and algebraic term. Polynomials. A polynomial is an algebraic expression consisting of one or more terms in each of which the exponent of the variable is 0 or a positive integer. So the condition is that the power of the variable is 0 or a positive integer, but not a negative integer. So thus 2, 3x, x square plus 3x minus 4, all are the positive powers, all have positive powers. These all are the example of polynomials. No negative power considered in polynomials. So, a monomial. A monomial is a polynomial consisting of single term. If an algebraic expression consists of a single term, then it is called a monomial. If a polynomial consists of two terms, then it is called a binomial, and a trinomial is a polynomial consisting of three terms. Like monomial, first term, and first term. Binomial means these all have single terms. Binomial have consist of two terms, like one operator and two terms. Trinomial means two operators and three terms. Now look at the table for the summary. 8 is called the constant, and we can also say that 8 is an algebraic term. X, Y, Z are called variables. These are the sign of the operators. These are called operators, plus and minus. 5x plus 7y plus z. This is the algebraic expression. 10, 5x, 3a square b. These all are the terms. 4, 5y, 7b plus 9y square. These all are the polynomials. Arranging polynomials in increasing and decreasing order. When performing addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, it is often helpful to rearrange the terms of the polynomials so that their degrees in a particular variable are either in increasing or decreasing order. That is, the exponents of the variables are in order. Like arrange the algebraic expression x plus 2x square plus 5 and minus ab square plus a cube plus 3 plus 2a square b in increasing and decreasing order. So firstly we have to write the two expressions x plus 2x square plus 5 in increasing order. Increasing order means smaller to bigger. So the smallest degree of the variable is 5 because here x power 0. So x power 0 is equals to 1. So we have to not write it. So 5 is a. So firstly we have to put the 5 and then power 1 and power 2. So we have to put the power 1 plus x and plus 2x square. Decreasing order is the inverse of increasing order, like 2x square plus x and plus 5. The example 2 is same as minus ab square plus a cube plus 3 plus 2a square b. So 3 is the smallest. Then a power 1, a power 2 and a power 3. So minus ab square plus 2a square b and plus a cube. Students, like and unlike terms. Terms consisting the same variables and the same corresponding exponents are known as like terms. And those having different variables or the same variable but different corresponding exponents are called unlike terms. For example, 3x square y and minus 1 over 2x square y. These have same variables and the same corresponding exponents. But 2xy and 2zx are not the like terms because they have not the same variable. Another example is 1 over 2x square y cube and 3x square y power 4. These have the same variables but not the corresponding same exponents. So these are the unlike terms. Okay students, and now we have to start our exercise 8a. So firstly keep in mind we have to add and subtract only the like terms. So first part is 2a plus 3b. We have to add it 4a plus 7b. Now we have to add these two values. 4 plus 2, 6. So 6a plus 7 plus 3, 10b. Part number 2, 3a minus 4b plus 2a plus 5b. plus 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 3 plus 2 5a plus minus minus 5 minus 4 1 1b, but the sign of the bigger value will be plus. Part number 3, 3a plus 6b 1a minus 7b. So 3 plus 1 4a plus minus minus 7 minus 6 1 and the value of the greater value minus b. Part number 4, minus a minus 4b plus 3a plus b plus minus minus 3 minus 1. जिस वेरिएबल के साथ कोई नंबर नहीं होता वहां पर 1 होता है. सो 3 minus 1 2a plus minus minus 4 minus 1 3b. Part number 5 is x square plus 5y minus 3x square minus 2y. So plus minus minus 3 minus 1 2x square plus minus minus 5 minus 2 3y, the sign of the greater value. Part number 6, minus 3a square minus 5ab plus 2b square. We have to add it plus 7a square plus 2ab minus b square plus minus minus 7 minus 3 4a square plus minus minus 5 minus 2 3ab plus minus minus 2 minus 1 b square, and a sign of the greatest values. Part number 8, minus 4a square plus 6a minus 3 plus 2a square minus 3a plus 7 plus 3a square plus 4a minus 2. So plus 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 3 plus 2 5 plus 5 minus 4 plus 1 a square plus 6a minus 3a plus minus minus 6 minus 3 3a plus 3a plus 4a plus 7a minus 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 minus 2 plus 2. Part number 11, this 4x square will be cancelled out this minus 4x square. So the answer is minus 6x square. Minus 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7, and the variables are x, y. Minus 6y square plus 3y square plus 3y square. So plus 3y square plus 3y square is equals to plus 6y square. So plus 6y square will be cancelled out with this minus 6y square and we get 0y square.